I am Krista McNamara with ABRN and Motor Age magazines, and I'm here with a look ahead, our monthly preview of what you will learn in our upcoming issues to help grow your skills and business, brought to you by Toyota Wholesale Parts. And November is packed with great lessons for both collision repair and service shops, starting with 5 rules to get you app to speed in ABRN. If your body shop hasn't gotten into the app game yet, you need to consider changing that. But you need to do some due diligence, and these 5 rules you'll read about will help you make the best decision for your business. Strategies to make the right hire will help you learn from shop owner Cheryl Drigger's mistakes when it comes to hiring new employees. She suggests a number of tools and processes, including scorecards, that can help you hire smarter. Finally, we take a look at in-process quality control checks and show you the value these give your shops to validate that all the repairs identified on the damage appraisal are accomplished prior to moving on to the next phase. Our Motor Age readers will definitely want to check out this month's edition of The Trainer, in which Pete Meyer spins a lesson for you on turbochargers, which can be found on 30% of all new vehicles as of 2017. Want more from Pete? Turn your attention to your customers' cooling systems with his look at making sure the coolant is protected from freezing, a great starting point for any cooling system inspection. After you read Pete's piece in the issue, make sure you check out Unmasking the Phantom, a technical article from which every technician can learn a lesson. Diagnosing intermittent parasitic battery drains has been a major source of frustration for even the best technicians for decades. This month, we'll review some time-honored methods as well as explore new methods for unmasking phantom battery drains. That's just the start of what you'll find in the November issues of ABRN and Motor Age. Watch your mailboxes and inboxes for all of these stories and more great best practices. I'm Krista McNamara, and thanks again for joining us for this month's A Look Ahead, brought to you by Toyota Wholesale Parts.